Jesus Christ.
Hard. We
Jump shot.
you love champion on your back and keep up them fuck rate. You understand?
Malta, Brighton, Mississauga, Scarborough, where you come from. You don't know the word of the GTA. Parakeet. Yeah. One day when I was sitting up. Yes, Parakeet. V. Bringing in my baby. Straight out of T-Dot. Done name it, girl.
Looking in, judging, talking about all I do is sin. Ain't checking for your own, only checking out what's going on in my home, in my zone. So stop, look around, what do you see? Is it just you? Is it just me in this town of the sea? No, it's not. The block is real hot, gotta check it out, see what I'm talking about. You gotta trust with your mind, don't trust with your heart, cause there's chicks and niggas that'll tear you apart. They might be here for a while, then gone the next day. Thought you'd be friends till the end, like Chucky and Child's Play. Niggas come, niggas go, chicks turn into hoes. Have you wondering what happened and you don't even know? Niggas come, niggas go, chicks turn into hoes.
Now I want to tell you something. It's all about November 26th, Vertex song. Inside, Suite 292, formerly Suba Lounge. You don't know, Vertex win. Fully loaded at Jamaica. Anytime you go a town talk on a Sunday, Vertex ram that. You understand? So don't know, it's fire upon a hater. November 26th, Suite 292, formerly Suba Lounge, just west of Spadina, on College, 292 College. Yeah man, coming in at the ghetto right now. Chalk farmer there, and a chalk farmer live. And the reason why I'm not sure is me in at the ghetto right now. Because I'm not gonna say me born. See? And my family never rich. You understand? Come to Canada, I live a month, I live for 20 years. I don't know how to get in the ghetto. But when you say you live in the ghetto, you have to be ghetto. Because some people, them feel like them have to be ghetto. You understand? You go to them house nasty. Come to my house, I want to live my house clean. My sister's a corporate life in the United States of America. You understand? Graduate from Harvard with honors. And the reason I tell you that, you can be anything you want to be. You understand? But you have some people, them just love hate upon you. You understand? You see me? 5 baby mother me have and 7 me. So that means I have to go hard. So up on the street, I have to go hard. Go hard. But you see some people, they love chat behind your back and keep up them fuckery. You understand? So that's why now sure fire upon a hater and you know it. You know say, enough man out there, I try to stick it to your baby mother. You know say, you go with a man, he no want to give you a fair share. You know that. No go on like you don't know that. So you don't know. Says fire upon a hater for all of the ghetto youth them. Cause everybody knows a hater. So I think I just verse me say slingshot. 10th anniversary. Every year them do fallen soldiers. Baby Gryhme come. Artist on the ground artist her birthday. Cause we have a Saggitarius birthday bash. Guess what? The great one, Jimmy Fresh I go did it. The wine. And I'm gonna launch the wine that night there. So all I know, don't worry. Drunk for free that night there. Cause Jimmy Fresh done set the program up. Say you must get some of the voodoo wine. You understand me? You think so me done? We from Nova Scotia will get somebody. And see Benzosa, she come from a place called North Preston. You understand? And if you don't know about North Preston, you need to go there. Cause them the place that the real ghetto. So big up Preston's finest. You don't know, G's up. You understand? Cause that girl that she come from the ghetto and she know what it's like. It's a girl in the rap game. So you know so she gets discriminated. Not just by what she does, but just by gender. So guess what now? If you don't know me sharing shit. Cause that is Toronto's first lady of hip hop. You understand what I try to say? Big up my Bessie. You know who my Bessie is? The one you name NC Blaze. A special appearance by NC Blaze. So if you can't see niceness in front of you, we don't know where you want to see in a life. You understand? So you don't know. Johnny Smash. Link up with some.
All I do is sin, ain't checking for your own, only checking out what's going on in my home, in my zone. So stop, look around, what do you see? Is it just you? Is it just me in this town?
$20 the door. You understand?
Block is real hot, gotta check it out.
See? November 26th. And then you're just Vertex alone. You have a next big show called Super Force. And Super Force are doing from long time. So big up all of the Rexdale crew them. Man like Blackjack. You don't know. You see it. Big up all of the Jamestown man them. All of the Appleton man. Hanrich crew. Shendale. The whole of Rexdale man. Dan Rexdale man. In it for a long time. You see it. November 26th. Vertex. Super Shango, aka M1. I think Shango on the Fusion Radio. Don't know. Johnny Smash a host it, and the girls them pet. The man them threat. Nothing. Later, November 20th. Remember me tell you. Yeah man, mash over out.
How I felt so sad and then realized she just never grew what she planted. She's real foul, trying to say that he's the reason this happened, but she's to blame. She's the bird that left the chick abandoned.
So who are you to be standing outside looking in, judging, talking about all I do is sin, ain't checking for your own, only checking out what's going on in my home,
So who are you to be standing outside looking in, judging, talking about all I do is sin, ain't checking for your own, only checking out what's going on in my home, in my zone. So stop, look around, what do you see? Is it just you? Is it just me in this town of the sea? No, it's not. The block is real hot, gotta check it out, see what I'm talking about.